Knowing how to back up your students' augmentative and alternative communication software will save you time and energy, and it might save your student's life. Backing up AAC software files is part of standard care for an AAC device. We recommend backing up the files at least once a quarter, especially before long breaks, and before you return an item to the Patents Lending Library, even if you don't suspect the trial was successful. If you are borrowing software from the Patents Lending Library, this allows you to keep your student's personalized file and add it to the new device after your trial. If it's a student's device, this allows the student to keep their language access integrity in the event of a loss. Files should be maintained confidentially. We recommend having a conversation with the student, family, and staff about where the files are stored, who is in charge of backing up, and who has access to them. The process to back up and restore TouchChat, LAMP Words for Life, and Dialogue AAC files are identical. For this video, we'll use TouchChat. If you're already in the user's vocabulary file, go to the top left corner and select the vocab button, and then choose New Vocab. In the top right corner, select Menu and Import/Export Vocabulary. You have several options. iShare is a fee-based subscription service. We do not recommend importing or exporting from iTunes with any Patents Lending Library equipment. The most popular option is to use Export and Share. Select that option, then the vocabulary file you want to back up, and select Done in the top right-hand corner. You'll be given a variety of options to choose from depending on what you have downloaded to the iPad. This could include Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, sending the file via email, saving it directly to the device via Files, and airdropping to a nearby Apple device. To import a file on the iPad, go to the location where you saved the file. In our example, I saved it to my Google Drive, so I will need to go to the Google Drive app logged into my account on the iPad. Find the file that you uploaded, go to the three dots in the top corner, and select Open In. Scroll to find the app that you want to have it open in our case is TouchChat, and agree to import the external vocabulary file. Rename the file if necessary, and then click Save in the top right-hand corner. Now our file has been backed up. There's more to learn about this software, such as customizing, editing, and setting it up for alternative access. For more support, Indiana Public Pre-K-12 staff members can reach out to Patents Project at patinsproject.org or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube.